Post-construction termite treatment requires consistent, careful maintenance of treated zones to preserve the integrity of the chemical barrier. Start by mapping and marking the treated perimeter clearly with durable markers and a simple written plan you keep with other home maintenance records. Inspect the treated area every 3 months and immediately after any landscaping, irrigation work, or construction activity so you can spot soil disturbance, new mulch, or plantings that breach the treated soil. When doing any planting or installing hardscape, avoid digging deeper than 4 inches within the treated band unless you arrange to have the disturbed soil retreatment applied by a qualified applicator. Train and brief every landscaper, gardener, and contractor who works on your property so they understand where the treated zones are and what activities to avoid. Provide them with a copy of your treatment map and maintenance notes. Adjust irrigation heads and sprinklers to eliminate overspray onto treated soil because excess moisture can move or dilute the active ingredient and reduce residual effectiveness. If soil is disturbed by repair work, heavy foot traffic, or deep watering changes, schedule a spot retreatment in the affected area as soon as practical and keep records of any reapplications and the reasons for them. Homeowners commonly dig too deep during garden projects, which breaks the barrier. The remedy is to plan shallow planting beds, or specify raised beds, and notify anyone who will be digging about exact no-dig zones. Another frequent issue is unintentional irrigation overspray that wets the treated band and accelerates loss of residual activity. Solve this by changing nozzle patterns, lowering run times, or moving heads away from treated soil and checking spray coverage by hand. A third concern is failure to communicate with contractors and landscapers so they unknowingly compromise the treatment. Prevent this with a simple pre-work checklist you provide before any project, and by keeping a visible marker line around the perimeter so workers can see treated zones at a glance. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors experienced with post-construction termite maintenance and find advice specific to treated perimeter care. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share practical tips, timeline experiences, and local considerations to keep treated barriers effective.